Hello, it's Anna from PNW Blanks and Sublimation, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to quickly press 4 20-ounce skinny tumblers in just a short amount of time in the PNW Signature Multifunction Tumbler Press. So we have it set to 350 degrees for the target temperature, 360 degrees for the printing temperature, and 30 seconds. So we want to make sure all of our seams are taped up, and we're going to put the tumbler in right here so the tape is actually facing the front, and center it here in the attachment and press. And while that's pressing, all of these tumblers that you see here were created today while we were doing our extensive testing on the press. You could see, I mean, there's quite a few, almost 12 tumblers that we made in just a few short hours, and that included printing them, taping them, pressing them, and revealing for your viewing pleasure. So this one. And you can see, I mean, you can't even find the seam on this one. And there's this one. Great one for guys or hunting lovers. Again, no seam, barely a seam. This one that we actually are going to show you again. We have printed another one because we love the design so much. This was actually designed by Kimberly from Inkalize. And all of our featured designers have designed one of these cups. And so we're going to post the links in the description of the this video. And I'll rotate this 180 degrees and press again. And back to the tumblers here. This one was actually featured in our Battle of the Presses video, if you didn't catch that yet. So this one was designed by Lisa from Emme Print Co. And she's also one of our featured designers that we have another one of her designs that we will be revealing shortly. And this one's actually another one of her designs. Can you tell that I like her designs? All right, and all of these I'm just gonna set aside. We're just going to quickly press them, one right after the other, and set them aside to cool. Some of the other tumblers that were created today. This one was another design by Emme Print Co. This one was another one of our designers, Jessica from Strands. Here's the other cup that was made during the Battle of the Presses video. And that's all of them. So we're just going to run through all of these tumblers and then we'll come back to reveal. Okay, so now that we pressed all 4 of our cups with designs from our featured designers, we are going to do the reveal. Move the tape. We waited for the cups to cool down a little bit because it's a lot easier to remove tape when you can use your fingernails instead of having unwieldy gloves. So this first design is from Graphics by Misty May, and you see that it's a great, very bright, colorful design there. And the next one is actually, oh, this one is one of Lisa's designs from Emme Print Co. All the links to these designers will be in the description of the video. So you can see that just turned out absolutely gorgeous. I love that teal color with the leopard. Next we have, looks like the one from Inkalize. I guess I could just rip these off, can't I? And this was one that we actually already pressed this design, but I just love it so much, and it looks so pretty with the teals and the golds and the glitter. I mean, and that tumbler just turned out absolutely gorgeous. That seam, I don't know if you can see, but I mean, you can barely see it. It just blends in. It's a seamless pattern, and that's just a great design. And the last one hasn't cooled completely yet, but we will do the reveal on it anyway. And this one is from Southern Strands, and her designs are just so fun and unique. I love them. Once again, all of these designers' links will be posted in the description, so you can go ahead and check out all the designs that they have to offer. And there's that one. Nice little Aztec, cactus, Southwest kind of vibe. So there you have it. 4 tumblers in, I don't know how many minutes that was, but not a very long time at all. 4 complete, full wrap, beautiful coloring tumblers in just a short amount of time with the PNW Signature Multifunction Tumbler Press.